We will compare two different camping chairs, ACTIONCLUB and KingCamp. I will actually get to sit on those chairs, which I have a hard time finding videos of from products I purchase online. We'll start with ACTIONCLUB. Let's see how long it will take for me to unpack it. Which is this into here. This is. I'm feeling to know which side is the one. I'll try to put it here. Fine. Yeah. Push it. I remove it from here, then I bend it to make it fit in here. It's a challenge. I think I know what I can do. I'm just going to remove that to make it easier to fit. This one is the toughest. There we go. Sit. Ready? Go first. Got my laptop. Very comfortable. The only question now is, can I put the laptop here? Shoulder not having anywhere to rest. Well, like the head rest, which is crucial for someone who wants to spend many hours on. So as you can see, so if I were to let my body go, my arms only have two options: standing like this or like this. And this is uncomfortable. Maybe stability might be another issue. Okay, let's unbox the other one. I hope I will figure out how to put it together. First time I'm doing this, and it's in. What's in? Yes, then put it there. To make sure. Let's see. I think in terms of comfort, it's about the same, but those two options, having the option to put my arms here to rest them, is definitely a plus. And just touching the material, this definitely feels stronger, has a wider diameter than the other product. Probably a little heavier, but yeah, not that much of a difference. Headrest is a little thinner, the sponge here, if I can call it a pillow, as opposed to the other one. So I don't feel my head resting on this comfortable space here as opposed to the other one. But you can see having a backrest so that your back doesn't slouch, which is not good for your back. You want your back to always have be tilted, like the maple, if I can describe it that way. Avoiding your back to be slouching, having that curve, like you don't want to be slouching like this. You want to have a comfortable resting position, which this one seems to provide slightly better than the other one. So the first chair, the closest to the video, prevents you from slouching slightly better than the other one, so you can see yourself the difference from the back. This is the other configuration, and I can tell this is more comfortable because of, but my back is not slouching. The thickness of the head rest is bigger. The only issue is missing armrest.
Hold on.